the market trend tool. I'll find that under menu, tools, market trends. What this tool does is it generates buy, sell signals using three technical indicators, moving averages, RSI, and stochastics. And I'm getting signals buy, sell, strong, strong sell. I've got a choice of time frames to work with. I can see the current price in terms of my pivot price, support, resistance. And what I'll do practically is look for a instrument that I'm comfortable with, like the Euro US. Time frame I'm comfortable with, in this case hourly. I see that it shows me sell. I'll follow that signal, choose my position size, go ahead, and all that technical information has allowed me to generate my trade.